Hola clase, ¿cómo están? Excelente. And welcome back to Learning with Senor Cao Cao. All right, today we're going to continue with the future tense, but first, let's have a look at the recipient of the next Cao Cao Award. Cowie. It's called the Cowie, whatever. Okay, so let's go to our comments from yesterday's YouTube. All right, Layla Worley says, I'm listening to you and I'm on FaceTime with Kennedy. All of a sudden I hear, turn Senior Coward off. Lol, I miss you. First of all, I will not be turned off. I think she meant turn Senior Coward up because she's trying to learn something, which I completely understand. Kaylee N, also, I've yet to actually pause the video right when you say now. Uh, I will be paused when I say I will be paused, first of all. Okay, Vanna Reed correctly says that I deserve Teacher of the Year. You are absolutely amazing at what you do and you keep us engaged. I really appreciate that. Very sweet. And our winner is Kaylee N. Wow, I'm pretty bummed I didn't win the award. I guess I'll go cry in my quarantine chamber. Yes, you should, but before you do, let me present you with the Cowco. You may take the Cowie Award into your quarantine chamber. There it is. There. Congratulations. You finally got it. Okay, I'm excited for you. All right, so let's go ahead. We're just going to make it a short one today. So first of all, let's go back and go over. Well, actually, let's do the warm up. Sorry, here's the warm up for future tense. Okay, warm up is here. It's just 4. I'm going to take it down to 4 instead of our usual 6. Okay, so get out your notes for your endings and pause the video now. Kaylee, I'm looking at you. You haven't paused yet, have you? I know you're smiling right now. All right, Kaylee, get your finger ready to pause the video and use it now. Okay, and we're back. I'm 100% sure that Kayla did not pause the video. All right, first one. All right, tomorrow I will eat in my house. Tomorrow, as you already know, is mañana comeré en mi casa. Número dos. Next year we will speak Spanish. El año que viene hablaremos español. Next week they will have the money. La semana que viene tendrán el dinero. Okay, so there's your irregular one right there, and another one's here. Pedro will come in the future. He'll be by. Pedro vendrá en el futuro. Okay? All right, so those are your answers. Now, really quickly, I'm just going to go run back through the lesson. Yesterday, we took time to copy it down, which hopefully you have in some form, whether you took a picture or a screenshot or whatever. All right, so el futuro, the future tense. Like I said before, and this is even in Spanish 1, we learned the simple future with the verb ir, which means to go. So that was ir plus a plus infinitive. So, voy a correr, I'm going to run. Vamos a estudiar, we're going to study. Vas a leer, are you going to read? And again, there's very much a certainty implied with this, that it is most likely going to happen. Okay? Now, we'll learn the future tense, which is used to express what will most likely happen. Again, a little less certainty, but either way, we are talking about our future plans here. So the good news is there's only one set of endings for AR, ER, and IR verbs. So all of those regular verbs, irregular verbs, there's no stem changing. Everything uses this one set of ending. So you just keep the verb as an infinitive, like comer, and then you put this onto the end. Comeré, comerás, comerá, comeremos, comeréis, comerán. So like I said, you just attach the endings. For example, I will talk with Miguel tomorrow is hablaré con Miguel mañana. We will eat at Zaxby's. Comeremos en Zaxby's. Okay, you just take comer and add it on to the end. Like you've secretly always wanted to, I can tell. Those are our examples we looked at yesterday. And again, here's like a little mini vocabulary, okay? So we have mañana, which is tomorrow. You've known that forever. El año que viene, next year, which literally means the year that is coming. La semana que viene, next week. El mes que viene, next month. En el futuro is just a general in the future. Un día, one day, like one day I will be the president. And el lunes, like you've seen before, means is how we say it in Spanish on Monday. We say on Monday, they say the Monday. Okay? And then these are your irregular ones. These are the ones, excuse me, it's kind of hot in here. These are the ones where you put the ending onto, instead of onto the verb itself, you put it onto this irregular root. For example, if you want to say I will put, instead of ponere, it is pondré. Instead of saliré, it is saldré. You have to use these or it's just going to be wrong. It's not going to sound right at all. Okay? All right, so let's just say this real quick. Repita en clase. Poner, ponder, salir, saldr, tener, tender, poder, poder, venir, vender, decir, dir, hacer, ar, querer, quer, saber, saber. Okay, so to show you some examples, saldré mañana. I will leave tomorrow. Tendremos el dinero. We will have the money. They will come to the house. Vendrán a la casa. Okay, and that was all of the notes. The future is really one of the more simple concepts that you'll learn. All right, so the last thing for today, just to kind of go ahead and cut things off, is I'm going to give you an assignment. And just so you can see, that's my Google Classroom, a little peek behind the curtain for you. All right, this is the assignment. I have posted this on Google Classroom. It says, in full sentences, meaning I need a verb on each one, say where you will live. This is like like when you were a little kid and you write about your future. So like number one would be something like, I will live in Hawaii. What animals will you have? I will have a giraffe. Okay, you can be imaginative. You can make it whatever you want to. This one, who your spouse will be, just to help you out on this one, just so you can see. You would, like, if I want to say who my wife would be. Mi esposa será, and you could say any celebrity. Mi esposa será Jennifer Lawrence, right? She will be my wife, which I know is a very creepy thing to say. It just sounds weird. Anyway, but there it is. So most likely, a celebrity or whoever you like or whatever. I don't care. I'm not really interested in your social lives. All right, so that again is on my Google Classroom page. And like I said, I will be grading this for correctness. Okay, I want to give you an actual quiz grade. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to go to Facecam for this. Okay, I already had to fuss at my Spanish ones about this. Do not use online translators. I don't want to see it. I'm tired of seeing Google Translate spit out things we've never seen before, or like words that were not in our vocabulary. That's not what I want you to practice, okay? Use the notes I gave you and make a good assignment. It's for a quiz grade, all right? All right, so that's it for today. I will see you mañana for Friday. Fun Fact Fez Fridays. Adios, amigos.